Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Joji, and if you do love makeup, well, you are in the right channel. So today's makeup is going to be fun and pretty and fresh and all of those nice words because you guys know spring is just around the corner. Today it feels like spring. Oh my god, it's so nice outside. And that's why in this video I am going to do a spring makeup look. This is one of my favorite season. I can't wait to show you guys the video, so let's just jump into it. Okay, so the first thing that I wanted to use on my face today is the Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist with rose water and green tea. So I'm just gonna mist this. And this bottle is so pretty too. It's very simple, but it's definitely cute and it's nice color. I feel like when I think about spring, it's all of those like nice and pastel and pretty colors. Okay, so for the primer, I am using the one from Smashbox Photo Finish. It is oil free and I feel like I'm going to get oily towards spring and summer, so this is a good primer for me. And then next up, of course, we are going to apply foundation. For the foundation, I am going to use the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation in shade Barcelona. So I'm going to apply this using my Real Technique Beauty Blender. Oh, I love this beauty blender. So I'm going to spread it right around here and here. And for spring as well, we don't want to put too much makeup. It's more of like a fresh look. So I think this is the perfect foundation that I could use in the springtime. Already with the foundation, next up will be our concealer, and today's concealer I'm going to be using one of my favorite concealer from NARS, the Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm just going to use my beauty blender to blend all of this. I like to go out right after this. I love to be outside, you guys. Like, it's so nice. You have no idea how nice it is today. Let me blend this before it dries out. Already with the concealer, and next up will be my brow, and I'm just gonna use my Benefit My Brow Pencil in shade 3.75. Done with my brow, and I didn't really go very sculpted brow today because I feel like spring should be a little more just overall you have some makeup but not too much. Next up, we're gonna do an eye primer. I'm using the one from MAC. It's the Paint Pot Painterly. For the eyeshadow today, I am going to use this one from here. This is from Milani Pure Passion. I got this like a while ago, but I haven't used it yet. And look at this color, guys. It's just really pretty. And I think it's like some of these shades right here on the top. It's so perfect for spring because this is the color that I'm actually looking for. For the first shade that I'm going to use is this shade called Totally Fond of You. No, did I say totally? Totally Fond of You. Oh my god, I'm having a hard time pronouncing words, and I'm so sorry guys, but sometimes I caught myself. So yes, it is the Totally Fond of You. So it's cute, you know. So I'm gonna use my NYX brush and just dip into here. Oh, okay, so here we go. I think let's go ahead with the second color. Oh, by the way, if you guys notice, I added a cute clip right here because my hairs just keep going to my, you know, my forehead, and it keeps scratching it and makes me feel like, you know, I have to put something in there. So let's grab the shade Spice It Up, and I'm gonna use this just into my eye corner. I feel like I wanna just use minimal color. I'm not gonna put too much color because it's spring, and just a little bit, tiny bit right here. By the way, I'm using the brush from NARS. It's number 44, and I'm using this next, blending it one more time and getting that nice smooth transition. This is going really well. This palette is not bad at all. It's so pretty, and I think it works really well. As you see, I think we are ready with the next color, which is, I'm going to use this shade Lust and Luminous. So for this one, I'm just gonna use my finger. I'm gonna switch it a little bit before I put it in my eyes. Switch, I mean swatch. Okay, and this is the shade right here. It's so pretty. It has that like peachy pinky tone into it. Just right into the middle, like into my lid first. I'm not going to bring it all the way into the front because now that looking at this palette, I wanted to try a different color in that area. Okay, dipping into the shade Anywhere. Oh no, it's not. I mean Afterglow. So I'm gonna use my finger, put it right in the corner. Oh, wow. That is a pretty shade. So I'm gonna put right in the corner, use a small brush. So this shade right here, it has this, let's swatch it again. So it is pink. It's more pink than the first one with gold mixed in it. So the other one is more like peachy pinky. This one is just purely pink with a little bit of gold in it. And that's it, guys. That's it for the upper eye. I'm just gonna add this first color that we put the first time, that Totally Fond of You. I'm just gonna add that onto the bottom lash just to give me a little bit of shade. And now for the highlight in the corner of my inner eyes, I'm going to use the Lust and Luminous. So you guys see that? It's so pretty. And it's time to put an eyeliner. But for the eyeliner, instead of me using eyeliner, I'm just gonna use one of the shade here, which is Late Date. So using my small angle brush, I'm gonna take this, dipping into the color, and then just give this a little bit of shadowing. For mascara, I'm going to apply this Voluminous Lush Paradise. Look at this, guys. It is so pretty too. It's like color coding here. So I'm going to use that. And first, I'm going to curl my lashes. Okay, so let's go ahead with the blush, and for the blush that I'm gonna use today is this blush from Jouer. I had a video of this when I first used this. I like the color combination from this one. It's so pretty. There's like a pink and more like a plum in here. I'm gonna use the shade Rose Petal. It's so pretty and like a soft pink. Next up, of course, we are going to do a very soft highlighter. So for this highlighter, I'm actually going to use the Soft and Gentle from MAC. So this one, I know that it is pigmented and it gives me a lot of blinding highlights. I'm really gonna be careful with this one. So I'm just gonna apply very light shading and not a lot of product. So you guys see, I just have that nice glow. I'm gonna apply it around my mouth. Here, maybe here, a little bit, not too much. And that's it for the highlighter. Now let's go ahead and pick our lipstick. Okay, so for my lipstick color, I decided to go with this combo right here. I have the Retro Matte Liquid in Lady Be Good from MAC, and then I have this lip gloss from Clinique. I do love this because it has this peachy, warmy tone to it. So I'm gonna apply the MAC liquid lipstick. I'm just gonna shade my lips a little bit and apply that gloss on top. Because I like the shade of this. It's a very soft, kind of browny peachy. I'm gonna use my finger. So almost like an ombre lipstick today. I'm gonna do. Now the last step that I wanted to do with this lipstick, because I feel like it's very nude, and although it's really pretty in person, like it's like matching everything with me, I wanted to put a little bit of tint just right inside my lips so that it gives me that nice ombre like I said. Can you guys see the difference? Alright, so I think that's everything. This look is finished. And I feel like it's very easy to do. You just put colors, foundation, your blush. I didn't even put a bronzer because I feel like this is good enough. But if you guys prefer to put a bronzer, of course, you are welcome to do that. Just keep doing what you love. And just my preference today, I don't need a bronzer because I feel like fresh and just so like baby and like pretty and pink. I love pink, guys. So I guess that's everything. This is my #1 spring look, so there's gonna be more coming up in my channel. So please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below on what you think of this look for spring. And I think, yeah, that's everything, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well as I did. It was very exciting and I really do love this look. I guess I will see you on my next video. Thank you guys, and yeah, bye!